Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. Introducing the coolest new toy for my 3-year-old in our house. This is the Play Kitchen from OOK. It is so pretty and it is really cool that it has these awesome features. One of my favorite is that it has an ice maker that actually dispenses ice, so that's really fun. And the cooktop actually makes sounds like you're either boiling or sauteing something. I love the attention to detail that they used on this. So the salt and pepper shakers actually make sound like there is salt and pepper in them. The knobs all click when you're turning them, so it's like you're actually turning something on. The dishwasher displays like it has cutlery and plates and stuff in it. I think this is just all around a super fun kitchen that will keep any kid occupied for hours. They do recommend 2 people and that it should take about an hour and a half, which was accurate for us, but it's very straightforward and easy to do. And I actually like putting it all together myself because I know that it's nice and sturdy. Whether you're looking for a new toy for your kids or an awesome gift for someone else, I highly recommend this Play Kitchen. My son plays with it for hours and hours and hours every single day, and we love how it looks in our living room. I highly recommend it. I can't say enough good things about it, and that's my point of view.